Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, February the 26th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Today we'll do 3 puzzles, 3 out of 6 in this additional. Tomorrow on Sunday, the rest of the puzzles in this additional, because tomorrow we have no extra puzzles, no newspaper, no newspaper. So I will do the rest of the puzzles, the other 3 puzzles. But now the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really a 4 stars? I do not know, but it will be number 4183. No, 4. Let me 4 here. I've just done the binary 4183, and this should be the last one, 4184. Yeah, 2 puzzles I've done. Yeah, the 3 stars and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars, 4184. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. So, and for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve a 4 stars puzzle. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. Okay. Here another single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have here in this puzzle? Dual boxes here? No. Dual box, only 1. Contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 dual box, triple box then. Do we have triple boxes here? No. Triple box, I see here a quadra box, and here also a quadra box here. I cannot fill those 3 boxes. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Here we have a quadra. Oh, here another quadra box. So 3 quadra boxes. Well, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Always a 5. Okay, those numbers I cannot fill in because I need more information. But here, these 3 boxes surround a 3, cannot be a 3. So no 3 here. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. So the 1, the 2, and the 4 are missing. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, for some figures, structures, construction, however, you name it. Yeah. Whatever, you name it. Okay, for example, the T shape, upside down, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Let me move the camera. The T shape, we have here the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, let me draw the boxes. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, T-shape. Here another T-shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah. Another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. Okay, let me draw this here. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And one more shape we have, or figure. This shape, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4 of them you need to recognize. Yeah, we have more. I believe maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to recognize those 4 shapes or figures. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there in this area. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Okay. Let me go up. In this quarter box, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have another 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Or we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. Let me see. Two. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this T-shaped area. This box cannot be a 2. No 2 there. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. That means here also 3 and the 5. This box is connected with that box. Yeah, 3 and a 5. Okay. Yeah. Thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 are missing. And this box is connected with that box. Also 3 and a 5. Yeah. I've already marked these 2 boxes. Okay. Here we have a quadrat box. 1 and a 2. So the 3 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left. For numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay. Think. 5, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. Now, this box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 2. Okay. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4, but I cannot place a 4 here because we already have double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, okay. 4 and 5. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. 3 here also 2 and 4. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Okay. These two boxes, we have a double 2 here. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Finish in 60 minutes. Yeah. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Publisher, give us more difficult ones. Yeah. It seems that the difficulty level indication is not right. Well. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics. Playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again tomorrow with the other 3 puzzles in this additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.